Let's take a look at how we can very quickly restore users' OneDrive files to a different user, otherwise known as an out-of-place restore. If we dump into Alan here, you can see his OneDrive files. Like with any of the restore operations here, you can select at the top of the grid to select everything, or you can select certain items or folders you would like to restore. Then we're going to go to restore the items, and instead of restoring to the user's OneDrive, which are the first two options here, we're going to restore to a different user. Then you'll be prompted to search for a user. So I'm going to search for Adele, select restore. That restore will then be queued, and we can view it on the activity pane. And you can see this is now running. Resource user, and the destination is actually Adele. And that's how easy it is to restore files from one user to another with an LCN.